So let's assume that you want to create like a slideshow presentation. Slideshow presentation is actually really useful because you can present this in really nice and clear way to your audience, like your key points, what you actually want to present. So I thought to myself, why not to use like Markdown that will convert all this essential information into the slides. And it's, and to my surprise, I found that we have the tool that is called MARP. So if you go here to the official site that is here, you will find like all the information about this project. This is actually cool. I just found this site here, and the installation of this software is pretty easy. You just need to type YAI. Maybe I will make it a little bit bigger for you guys. You just need to do like YAI and MARP. Hit enter, and this is actually, I installed it like you see here. So you're just clicking one and you just doing like install. If I don't need to like clean build packages, you don't need to, and you don't need to show diffs. You just install it like that. Let's go. Pretty easy and fast. So excuse me. So after installation process, you just need to do a second step. So the second step, I assuming, is to create a Markdown file. So what we can do, let's assume that we will create a directory first. Presentation. So we are in the presentation, and what we need to do is to create a Markdown file. On the official site, we see that MARP is based on common Mark, and we can export it to like HTML, PDF at the end. But first, we want to create like example Markdown file. So here we have it. I didn't. It's like my first time that I'm doing this, so I'm really curious how this will work. But we actually will. What we're gonna do here is actually copy all that. Oh, we had it here even. Copy that text and paste it to a file on our system. Yeah, like presentation. Markdown file. Okay, so we can check if it is pasted like it should be. Okay, that's great. And the next step probably will be using this software MARP. If we will use like MARP command, by default it will list all the information that this software can do. So input it here, the base directory to find Markdown and theme CSS. Probably this can be it. This can be useful. We can watch input Markdown for changes. That's really good. So does it look like this software can actually change, watch the changes of your Markdown files and actually give you a preview like you see here. And we can even enable the server. So quite good, interesting soft we have in here. So I don't know, I will just goof around with this. We have like presentation there. Maybe watch for input. Maybe try MARP with input. But we need to also specify the output file, but let's go like input presentation. Okay, it's not a directory because that was a directory. Input the tier. Okay, so maybe let's be persistent here. Let's look to what's gonna happen when we will run this on the folder. Okay, converting one markdown, presentation MD. Okay, we have like HTML. It created an HTML file, so that's pretty neat. We can open it and see what's actually it created from that. Okay, and here is our presentation file. That's absolutely brilliant. Look at that. Absolutely great. It's like one like first page, second page. Look at that. You know, I can do even something like maybe like this. So if we're gonna like start and edit this file probably. Oh, we have themes. We can specify themes. We can specify like background of the file. So pretty nice, markdown, clear, nice markdown file. Okay, let's say a presentation about MARP. Write it. And we don't see like live changes here for sure, and that is probably because we don't have specified, let's say, like watch. We didn't turn like watch option using MARP, so we have like a function here, watch input markdowns for changes. That's interesting actually, because I don't know if it's working on the files, but by its own, or on the markdown whole folders. But we can try it. Do this that way, like watch. Nothing like oh, it was really bad. We can try it like running this on single file right now, because we are in the folder of presentation, and see what happens. I don't know. I never was using this soft before. Oh, nothing happened. So that did I write it correctly? We need another dash here. Nothing happens. So we can create maybe dash W. Oh, and I figured it out. It's looked that it's correct now. Oh, when I refresh the website, the presentation page, it's actually put the new text that I have there. That's absolutely great. Look, that will actually, if that actually will change the presentation itself. Okay, Amazon presentation ecosystem, that is super cool. Chop. And and it's working, like you see. The text is actually updating. So you can create a presentation here using the markdown file, and that's actually absolutely great. So you are not like bounded to like all these software GUI programs when you need to like use a mouse, click everywhere, and fiddle around with like clicking, dragging around and looking for all those options. You can use like plain markdown file to create this presentation. This is actually super awesome, you know. This is super awesome. And let me like maybe create another slide, just from curiosity how this look like. Slide 3, markdown file to presentation. Okay, what do we have here? Oh, we need to like put this special markdown character. What do we have here? Write it, and we have right now 3 pages. That is so awesome. Do you see that? Just like that, creating this simple tag, we created another slide. This is absolutely brilliant. And we can, like you see, slide 1, we have like a code here. Slide 1, slide 2, how to write slides. Yeah. So probably if we will, for example, put here a bash language, this should convert it to it should like convert it to nice looking script. So let's assume, I don't know, echo hello world. Yes, it's working. So actually this is really nice. If you want to dive in a little bit deeper into this was like an introduction to this MARP software. It's so far I absolutely loving it, and for sure I will use this soft because it's great. What these guys are doing there is absolutely brilliant, and I definitely support some like these efforts. And yes, it's definitely good. If you want to read more about this, definitely we can close this right now. Definitely check the marp.app site that is here, and also if you want to go like deeper in the rabbit hole, of course check their GitHub MARP themed website. And if you want to check like basic markdown syntax that you can use creating this presentation, like you have here like the standard markdown markdowns symbols that you can create, that you can use creating these documents. Okay, so I will link all this. I will leave all the links in the description of the video. So for now, that's all, and see you in the next one.